Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, I'm currently on a mission to build 12 apps in 12 months, and I've been sharing this journey on my YouTube channel, so you can feel free to view my past videos to see the recent app I've built. And if you also find this video to be useful and interesting, consider subscribing, like, and also share the video as well. So I'm here again with a new app for the 7th month called SolveMyCube that basically solves a Rubik's cube. So that's it, let's jump right in. Yeah, so this is the homepage of SolveMyCube app. I made it in such a way that if you don't have Rubik's cube at hand yet and want to see how it works, you can just reshuffle one over here in 3D format and you can just tap on the solve button to watch it solved over here. So on the solution page, you can click on the play button and watch the Rubik's cube solve over here with the step-by-step instructions as well. There is also you can just tap on the play to pause. You can just reverse the move over here. You can speed up the Rubik's cube how it moves. So by default it's on 0.5x. so when I speed it and turn on the play button, you can see the rotation is being done fast over here. There's also a restart button where you can restart the entire process. So this works similar as you scan a Rubik's cube, which I will move into that very shortly. So you can see the cube is solved over here and you can just restart the flow over here. And so there's also an option to scan with camera, and if you want to enter the colors manually too, you can just see that over here where you need to tap on it to fill out the spaces over there, just like this. So once you tap on it, it's filled with the color. Yeah, so when you tap on scan with camera, this how it's going to be. There's a landscape view of the app. Orientation matters in here. That's why I specify some instruction over there. So this situation, the white center should be facing the camera with the blue center on top. Other way around will not work as expected. So once you are done, you can check the colors if they are the same and the accuracy is quite good. So you confirm that, and the next instruction is the red center should be facing you. It should be facing the camera with white center on top. So red center with white center on top. You confirm that. Green center facing the camera with white center on top. That's the next. So it says for green center with white center on top. You capture it to verify the colors in there, and that's okay. You confirm that. Yellow center with green on top. So if you search for the yellow center, there it is. So we search for the top, which is green. We scan this. There we go. So you can confirm it over here. And last but one is the orange center facing the camera with white on top. We scan it like this. Then we confirm. So the last one is the blue center should be facing the camera with white on top. So once you follow the instruction as stated above, everything will be fine. And you can click on the finish to navigate you to the solution page, which I showed you earlier. So over here too, you can view the step-by-step instructions to solve it. You can play alongside the 3D view and be following alongside as well. So that's basically it. If you find this to be useful, interesting, consider subscribing, like, share. It's live on App Store. You can have a look at it and see how it works. On Play Store, if you want to be added, I can add you as part of the closed testing, which is not live yet. I can add you as part of the closed testers. And yeah, that's it. So let me quickly show you one scenario where if you scan the cube randomly, right? So you get an alert about irregularities between the faces you scanned. So let me show you that portion. Yeah, so this is the scenario. If I don't check the orientation very well and only scan the center as required red, I'll just scan without checking the top center color as well. There will be an alert showing that there are some irregularities between how we did it. So you can see some stickers were probably misread, the corners and everything. So you can tap on it to fix that and solve that as well. Bye. See you in our next video. Until then, stay tuned.